A controversial ballot question rests in the hands of the Hawaii Supreme Court justices. They heard arguments today on whether the state should be allowed to collect property taxes for education. Manolo Morales has more on today's hearing.
The question on the ballot reads, shall the legislature be authorized to establish, as provided by law, a surcharge on investment real property to be used to support public education? The counties argue that parts of the question aren't clear to most voters.
All that I'm saying is that the language is sufficiently unclear and misleading so that the voters will not know actually what they are voting for when they vote for this amendment.
If you read the ballot question as a whole, that it does make sense. It doesn't, if you parse it out to certain words within the question, then you have a problem. You may have a problem.
The counties have argued that if approved, this could ultimately allow the state to tax residents on their primary homes and force landlords to raise the rent.
You would concede that the legislature could impose this surcharge on residential real property in which the that's owner occupied?
I would say that that's a possibility, but it's probably not going to happen because there is the review process by the legislature.
If I'm actually buying it for somebody to live in and not rent out, how do I know as a voter that that's not going to be taxed?
Then I think you should probably vote no.
The teachers' union, which has been pushing the proposal, says there's a way to keep the legislature from doing what everybody fears.
The easy answer is democracy. I think any legislator that went after renters or low-income people would not be having be a legislature in the next year.
Manolo Morales, KHON 2 News.
In order for this constitutional amendment to pass, it needs more yes votes than no votes. And the yes votes have to be 50% or more of all ballots cast.
What you're really focusing on is the yes votes, because for it to pass, you need to have more yeses than nos, and it has to be 50% of all ballots cast. So for all intents and purposes, a no vote is, in the second test, the same as a blank and an over.
There are 4 ways votes are tallied: yes, no, blank if there's no vote on the question, and overvote if you vote for both yes and no.